Hi, I'm Eric LeClaire from Stinger Electronics. Today we're in a Jeep Wrangler JK, showing you how to enable the backup camera, front camera, and blind spot camera inputs on your Stinger Heighten. Follow these easy steps to configure your Heighten for your camera inputs on your Wrangler. We've got our Stinger Heighten installed, and what we're looking to do is enable our cameras. Because Jeep Wrangler JKs don't come with a factory backup camera, this setting is not default to on. So if you're looking to add a backup camera or a front camera or blind spot cameras to your Heighten, just follow these steps. Select Settings, System Settings, then under Installer Settings, click Enter and hit 0052 and touch OK. Then under Advanced Vehicle Settings, we have a menu called Camera Settings. And under Camera Settings, we can now turn on our 4 camera inputs. So in this vehicle, we have Camera 1 is going to be our rear. So we can click here and we can select Rear. And that's going to be our rear camera input. Go back to the main menu. Camera 4 is going to be our front camera. So we'll go ahead and set up our front camera, front. Now when you set up a front camera on the Heighten, that's verifying that that's our front camera view. When we set up this front camera, we have several options. There's a maximum duration in seconds. When you enable the front camera by shifting from park to drive, it's going to stay on for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or 15 seconds, depending on the selection you've chosen. You also have a maximum speed threshold in miles per hour. So it'll keep the front camera engaged until you hit 5 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour, or 15 miles per hour. The parking steering angle selects the angle at which the front camera is engaged. So if you're going under 3 miles per hour, and you have the setting set to 30 degrees, when you turn the steering wheel 30 degrees, like this, it will engage the front camera. If we have the setting here, you have to turn the steering wheel to 60 degrees. Here, you have to turn the steering wheel to 90 degrees. We're going to set it here for 30, so that we only have to turn a 30-degree angle, and it's going to keep the camera on for 15 seconds, or until we hit 15 miles per hour. Now, we've got a rear camera and a front camera. Let's say we put blind spot cameras on our Wrangler. Camera 2 in this vehicle, we put it on the left. And when you enable a blind spot camera, you have another setting here. You have a low speed override setting. So what that does is when it's on, it stops the blind spot camera from being displayed when you're traveling at less than 3 miles per hour. So when you would turn on the turn signal, if you're going less than 3 miles per hour, it will not show the camera unless you turn this off. With the setting off, when you hit the turn signal, it's going to show your left blind spot at any speed. So we've got rear, left, we'll do right. Select that and make that a right blind spot camera. And then here we have, we'll turn off our low speed override, so it'll turn on at any speed. So now if we go back, we see our camera screen. We see our front camera out the front there. We've got our back camera out the back of the Jeep. And we've got our left and right blind spot cameras. And there we have it. Well, that's all it takes to set up your Heighten for the cameras you've installed on your Jeep Wrangler JK. We hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.